One of the most important things is we are stronger when we are together, and also that resilience is not an option but a necessity now.
One of the main takeaways from today was the importance of regional collaboration. We are able to see that within this room we have many ideas, many scenarios that we're able to learn from regionally, and we can use each other's experiences to help build a better climate resilient region.
Okay, I think this dialogue really provides an opportunity for us to discuss the common issues affecting the environment, and because I have a bias towards fisheries, the marine environment. Certainly, I think it really provided an opportunity to exchange ideas, exchange issues that can really bring some degree of solution to the issues that affect the marine environment. As small island developing states and as we say large ocean states, I don't think that we could really operate in a vacuum. I think it provides an opportunity for countries to really come together and deal with the issues that affect them in a very collaborative way, pulling resources together because we do have limited resources, and therefore coming together will really give us an opportunity so that we could be more efficient and address all the issues in a timely manner.